Let me ask you something. Have you ever used AI and felt like it almost understood you, but not quite? You type a prompt, you hit generate, and what comes back looks nothing like what you imagined. Not because AI is broken, but because your prompt had no structure. Most beginners think prompt engineering is about fancy words. It's not. It's about clarity. AI doesn't respond to creativity first. It responds to instructions. That's exactly why I created the Veo3 Prompt Bible. It's not technical, it's not overwhelming. It teaches you the structure of a good AI prompt for images and videos, step by step. You'll learn how to tell AI who the subject is, what the scene is, how the camera should behave, what style, mood, and motion to use. So instead of guessing, you start directing. When you understand structure, AI stops feeling random and starts feeling powerful. If you're a beginner and want AI to finally listen to you, start with the Veo3 Prompt Bible. The link is in the description. Learn the structure once and use it everywhere.